So it's an exciting day at Castle Doherty because, as you know, my new book Legionary Devotio came out last week, and today I'm waiting for a delivery from Amazon of paperback and hardback copies of the book that I'm going to sign and send to you good people who requested a copy. So I'm just waiting. The delivery text said it should come between 4:30, 5:30, and exciting times. Just waiting for that. Knock at the door. Here we go. Oh, thank you, excellent. Thank you. This is it, my first ever official unboxing video. I can't wait for this. It's going to make my week. Let's get the parcel open, see those shiny new books, and it's a disaster! It's a disaster. Dottie the Dachshund has eaten all the copies of the book. Dottie, how could you? How could you? So, as you can see, Dottie has helped herself to all of the copies of the book. Yep, thanks Dottie. I hope you enjoyed devouring my latest novel. Well, that just means that I'm going to have to order a new batch of paperbacks and hardbacks for y'all. So if anybody would like a signed copy, now's the time to ask me. If you just like to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll sort it out for you.